Borrowing money from Klarna is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. To borrow the money from Klarna, you need to follow the steps I'm going to describe. So, first of all, sign up for a financing account in Klarna. Then, you will receive an email confirmation from Klarna and your credit limit. You can now use it on your next checkout. Now, select to pay later with financing upon checkout of your order. After that, choose the term length that is most convenient for you. Now, you complete the purchase. Always remember to pay on time to avoid a penalty for late payments. Klarna charges up to $35 for late payments. It's essential to be aware of the terms and conditions of your Klarna financing agreement, including the interest rate, if any, and the repayment schedule. Klarna offers different plans, including interest-free options if you pay the full amount within a specified period. Always review the terms and understand the potential impact on your finances before agreeing to Klarna financing.